Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to use the formula for concatenation, like merging the contents of two or more cells into one. Here I have the list of employee codes, their first names and last names. The formula to concatenate or merge all these cells is equal to the first cell reference and then give an ampersand symbol and then give the next cell and then give an ampersand symbol and next cell. So like this you can merge n number of cells, like how many you want to merge. Now if I had to give a special character in between any of these mergings, then how do I do? So first select the cell and then give an ampersand symbol, and then within quotes you can give any special character or any desired character of your choice, and then give close with an ampersand symbol, and then next the cell reference which you want to merge it in, and then ampersand symbol, and then within quotes some special characters and then an ampersand symbol. Now with this you will be able to insert special characters in between your merged cells. Now the formula to use concatenation is equal to concatenate of, then it should ask for text 1, give your text 1, and then comma, here text 2. If you have a special character to be inserted and if it is predefined in some cell, you can either select that. If not, you have to mention that within quotes, then close quotes, comma, and then next cell reference, comma, and then some special character, then comma, and then the next one. Yes, right. So this is the simple formula and it's very useful for merging. Thank you so much. Hope this was helpful.